All right, well, another pretty day where we live. Sun is out. Oh, last run to the river wasn't too bad, so we're gonna do it again. Temperatures, I'd say about the same. Yeah, this run might feel better. Maybe. My side already hurts and I'm not even running. But I think I drank too much water. I've pissed like 3 times in the last 30 minutes. Well, it used to be high blood sugar. That's not the case anymore. Thank God. You know what it's like to never sleep for like 2.5 years straight and pee every fucking 30 minutes? I do. All right, so we're coming up on downtown Troutdale again. And feeling pretty good. People don't know this. Kate has become a really good runner. She had a marathon like a month ago or so.
4th of July.
Yeah, Christmas in July. She got first place in her age group. So that's pretty cool. Looking at me, you wouldn't know, but when I met Kate, I was a fucking runner, an extreme runner. Not getting any fucking younger. Bike lane. So if your doctors ever tell you that your triglycerides are high, take that shit fucking serious. You don't want to end up how I did. Fucking almost dead. So get off your lazy ass and do something about it. Trust me. You'll thank yourself later. And yeah, the doctor was right. So this is what we got right now. Almost 9 minutes, almost 3/4 mile. So back in the day, when I first met Kate and I was running all the time, my fastest 5K was 22.13 seconds or some shit. There's the blackberries again. Oh, solid. Cat. There's a black cat with the Michael Myers house. This house also very creepy at night. So here we are. It's, the sun's going down. And that's what the river looks like when the sun's going down. Actually, it looks pretty cool. Anyways, so we got 1.25 right here. So it's 2.5 miles round trip. Not too bad. Maybe our next run, if we're gonna do tomorrow, I got an idea. We can go straight, go across the bridge, come back across the bridge, and then walk down here.
Sidewalk? It's narrow up there.
No, I think so. But people are going pretty slow. People get fucked up down here all the time. I used to also. Guilty as charged. So it is also Taco Thursday at Bandits. Which I don't know who's working. It might be our buddy Brandon. Anyways, last look. Guard is wearing a cowboy hat. So women, come down here and pretend you're drowning. Get saved by a lifeguard cowboy. We are on the way back.
Drive it like you stole it.
Good morning, everybody. We're trying to get somewhere that's a mile away in
30 seconds.
3.5 minutes. A bus is taking off to Multnomah Falls.
We are getting on that bus.
We're getting on this bus, and watch, we're gonna get pulled over because she's not wearing a fucking.
40 and
You
20.
better get that bitch right there. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
This light takes more fucking every morning.
Yeah, we're good.
Go.
So this is funny because we're going to Multnomah Falls with our friend Rachel and a bunch of other people from our gym.
She peer pressured us into it.
Yeah.
I told her, like, oh, we're just having fun. We just being up. And she's like, well, you live 4 minutes away. Okay, fine.
It wasn't quite that condescending.
No, I felt that one.
We gotta catch the bus. Come on. Show me the money. How the hell did we get up there? Oh, it's like Vegas. We made it to the bus.
Oh yeah.
It's like the Vegas bus, double decker. Pretty good turnout, 20 people.
And then Ronnie had his last basketball practice that had parents too. Our trip to Italy, so that's supposed to be Oh, yeah.
Every single day that
So,
you think doesn't
I
matter,
just like,
it affects
is it
something
after?
else. So I whispering in your ear.
Okay. I knew I
Hey,
was like,
are you? I guarantee you're used to that.
You're hilarious. I've been up there. Oh, the best.
It's not
Nothing the balls is gone.
Right up
Yeah, that's Crown Point.
Is that where you rented?
You should have brought a speaker so we could have music.
Raising kids together. Yeah.
I'm here. I'm still
I could
here.
just start saying.
Do you want to go next week? Sure.
So you guys filming for his website?
Probably YouTube.
YouTube, yeah. Did you say he was great at YouTube?
What it looks like when I'm full of alcohol and I'm going to the bathroom.
Isn't this so nice? How quick it is?
10 minutes. That's early.
We
Like
better not.
an hour or two.
surprised. Like, yeah. There were parking spots yesterday.
So, this is the freeway that runs along the Columbia River, 84. Hi, honey. Hi. So, like I said, pretty good group size. All right. Are you kidding me? She's scared of heights? What are you talking about? I hope you look over the edge. I want. Well, it's pretty freaky when you're looking over that damn thing.
I bet so many people lost their phones trying to get perfect pictures.
Better than losing your life. That's a fun ride out here. Few dogs. All right.
Oh my gosh, dogs are allowed on the bus too. I
Oh,
read that on their website.
so Trent's allowed on the bus. So here we go.
Gym family.
Gym family.
I know. The way I asked them all, and they're like, we're gonna make it.
I've caused mischief here in my past. Yep.
I want to come back in the fall when all the leaves are turning.
Yeah,
It's so pretty.
it's cool. So I'm not gonna hold them, but we're going all the way up there to the top. But definitely worth it.
Yep.
Aww. All right, we're gonna have our aww moment. Here. Aww. I look retarded, I think. This is so much better than taking pictures. What the fuck are you talking
My
about?
jammies. It's sleeping in.
What are you talking about?
So much better.
I think she's full of shit. Nancy Brown in her eyes. So we don't have an MC, we have an RC.
Okay. Yep.
Just because it's less brutal as far as all
Yes.
the bullshit you go through.
Yep. Yep. And safety anymore.
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't want to have a militant style freaking motorcycle club. So I was like, let's just have a RC so everybody can do their own thing.
Okay. Yep.
I thought that was a whistle. I was like, what the hell are you going to blow a whistle for?
Yeah. Look, she needs help.
Say hi, Rachel.
Hi.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. How you doing?
You do good, aren't you? Yeah.
This is why Jesus' legs never get sore.
Well, we reached the top. Coming. Coming.
And then they have one in Escapade.
If you fall from here, you're done so. Hi, honey.
Hi. What'd you do?
I wonder if there would be even a point of trying to recover your body if you fell off the side.
I would just hope to die.
You're gonna die. There's no,
Oh, the recovery efforts.
yeah, just leave it. It seems
Let
like your
nature have it.
your body would just shatter in pieces. Okay, honey, I'm coming. There we go. Okie dokie.
Hey, everybody, come on for group photo.
Ah, son of a bitch.
We were just there, Rachel.
All the effort to go another 7 feet backwards.
Because I came to find.
Was. Me and Kate are being overachievers today. Leading by example. We're headed back down, and we're way ahead of the group. So the walk back down is way quicker. We're trying to be careful though, because we are wearing the Brooks that have no tread left. So cool story, bro. Hi, Annie. That one just got a little bit of my Achilles. Son of a bitch. And we're back to the bottom. Ooh, slick. Yep. Oh, we're 1.6 miles into it. 13:44 seconds.
Wow, so many. They go so tall.
Yeah, so we're jogging somewhere like 5 miles away from where we live. And like I said, blackberries. If you like blackberries, just walk a trail. And the berries, they get, I don't know, $50 size easily.
$50. That big?
Yeah.
Show me a blackberry that big.
I'll show you. All right. We just killed 2 miles pretty quick, actually. Now we're walking up the path to a duck pond and another duck pond and a tortoise, possibly, who makes real funny noises when he's on the tire.
And he's the size of a tire. The size of like a sofa cushion.
Yeah. How you doing, honey?
Good. How you doing, honey?
All things considered, pretty good.
There you go.
We didn't drink last night. We rolled 300 miles on a motorcycle. I went through some real shitty weather, pushing me around in a wheelchair. I don't really care. It's public. Yeah. Cool bridge. Hello. It is a cool bridge. Oh. So our tortoise friend is up here. All right. Whew. That is him sleeping. There he is. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but yes, that's real. It's a giant tortoise with his head looking up at the sky. He just blinked.
You winked at me.
Yep. Sit on my woman.
Here.
Probably can. They can see him. It'll probably be. Whew. So we got like a dry creek bed down there. It's This is a really steep climb. There's a bench. You can't tell, but it is steep. It is pretty in here. I think we got another bridge coming up that takes us across to the big duck pond in the park. Yeah, 3.2. Still doing pretty good though. All right. We're gonna test the peeing in public like a dog theory for a misdemeanor.
That could be fine.
Could be a fine. All right, here's our other pond, which is bigger. Maybe.
Let's go back a bit.
Yeah. There's a couple ducks right there by the middle. There's usually these savage geese that hiss at you, and I'm not afraid of, and I will football kick. They're here illegally anyways, because they're Canadian geese.
Drone.
Oh, Mr. Drone.
Technology?
Yeah, we should be pinging each other.
That's pretty true.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
the little ones that grew up.
Got our little duck friends.
Yep.
50% of the time there's these savage geese, and
They just like lay in the middle of the
yeah,
sidewalk.
they're little. I mean, they're huge, and they lay in the middle of the sidewalk. And if you walk towards them, they hiss like a fucking snake. They show their little, I don't know if they're teeth, and they got these ugly little tongues. They don't scare me at all, because I know I'm gonna beat the shit out of a bird. It's got 2 legs and 2 fucking fake wings. Well, I guess they do fly, so they're real wings, but
It's okay.
go back to Canada, you stupid geese.
They're cute. They're little,
They are cute.
yellow fuzzies.
Yeah, they're really cute. But then they grow up to become demons. People that live around this got it made. There's only one thing that's wrong with those flags, and I bet you guys can't guess what it is, what I've been talking on like the last minute.
Oh, the Canadian one.
Yeah, Canada. But they do have a Ducks flag, so they're forgiven. I pardon them. If it was a Beavers flag, we'd have some serious fucking problems. They're ducks. There's a lot of them, a lot of them.
Oh, hi guys. I feel bad even walking over here.
Hello.
Yes. Hi, Lindsay.
That one's on lookout. He's on security detail. He's checking us out, look.
The bird is safe.
Look at the purple
Yeah.
in the feather. Hi guys.
Hey.
This one's you, it's just sleeping.
This is where we. So, Jesus is tired, low blood sugar. We take off without him.
Whatever.
Stop it! He's fine. He'll be here in a minute. See, he's fine. Where are you? back to the duck pond. So, coming back to the house with the tortoise. Some folks just told me he was out somewhere down in the yard. So let's take a look. Where'd he go? Oh my god. Hi. What are you doing up there? Oh, so slow. Where are you going? Come back, dinosaur. Fine.
What? What's up?
So he's up there.
He is. He's walking.
Yeah, oh my.
With his big ass.
Look at those big knees. Is that a knee?
I don't know what those are called.
Later.
But you imagine how strong his limbs have to be.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, the owner. I don't know if I'm allowed.
What's his name?
Elwood?
We've been wondering for years.
How old is Elwood? Really?
13?
Recording.
Oh, it's recording.
Good. So we just met the owner of the turtle. The turtle is 13 years old, and his name is Elwood.
Yes, Elwood, the tortoise. I
Big
don't know
boy.
if it's a turtle or a tortoise. I don't know.
I think when it's land, tortoise.
So, turtles are water? I guess. I don't know.
Well, let me get back to you.
We'll have to look up.
This is so pretty. Oh, I wish I had known. I would have told Bobby. Shoot.
Oh, I think it's confused. There she goes. Coors Rodeo. Yeehaw! Come here. So if you guys didn't know about this about running, when you're going down hills, instead of fighting it, just lean forward and you'll do less damage to your legs trying to slow yourself down. Pretty much you start running with your momentum instead of fighting it. Yeah, gravity. So you're pretty much putting your body forward instead of leaning backwards. It'll,
Like you're not using your quads as brakes.
yeah, you're not trying to slow down. So you kind of lean forward, and you'll realize, yeah, you're gonna gain some speed, but you're not gonna be hurting your legs because you're not using your quads to slow yourself down at all. There she goes. Goggins. All right, so I caught up to her. Doing pretty good on time. 1 hour, 16 minutes, almost 5 miles. 4.82. Yeah, we stopped a lot for sure. Like if I didn't have the GoPro on me, the tortoise wasn't out, it was shitty weather, we'd probably be a little less than an hour right now. That's what she thinks. Believe it or not, I used to be able to outrun her, no problem.
Oh yeah, I do anything for cardio.
Yeah, it was not a competition as far as that went. Now, I'm trying to get back to where, if I can get back to where I was she's in trouble. But, well, see, she doesn't see it that way, but I do, for sure. But I can't argue the point and tell them 40 pounds lighter. So we'll argue that point back then when I get to then. And it could be about 6 months or so. But I think I can take her.
Are those nettles?
Been 6 months, $100. No problem. So that's $200 I just gained.
Look at how jacked his legs are. Pretty impressive.
I wonder how that guy's gonna have nightmares. Commentary.
It's pretty. What, did you need attention?
Yeah, always.
There you go again.
I need some GP.
Excuse me?
Dr. Pepper.
Mm.
What are you thinking, pervert?